Yo, welcome back sa panibagong video natin mga wating. So, maglalaro tayo ng Take Care of the Dog. Take Care of the Dog. Hindi ko alam. Basta, yun. Yo, I like the music. You're very sure then happy dance. Let's start the game. Space or down button. Space. Take care of your dog. Yeah, take care of your dog. I like the music. Oh. Oh, wait. Naglalag ako. Naglalag ako. Okay, parang na yan. Okay, naglalag ako. What the hell is going on? Naglalag ako. Is this my dog? Follow the dog. Okay. Follow the dog. Hello, dog. What's up? Get the food in the basement? Okay, there you go. There's the food. No? It's a box. Ito yata. Yung mga crack. Yung mga crack. Stop. So, dito yung food. Naligaw na naman ako. Wala dito. Oh, there you go. Let's go back. Dito tayo. Kasi dito din na rin doon. Okay. Okay, so hindi naman nakakatakot to. Ano lang to? Aso lang. Dog. It's a dog. Follow the dog. Okay, it's getting around. What is happening? Hello, dog. Play fetch with dog. Gago, gulat ako. Visit. Okay, cut. Fuck. Catch. Bilis, ba't ang bilis? Catch. Catch. Grabe. Bilis. Okay. Catch. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Ano maglalaro? Okay, maglalaro na tayo ng fetch sa aso. Okay. Got the water in the basement. Okay.
Five minutes later.
Oh my god, naglalag ako. If naglag ako, it means may nagload. Hindi dito. Fudge yung dito eh. Fudge yung kanina. Wala like the ambience. Yung sound. Ganun yung sound. Hindi ko lang naririnig. Dito. May discard. Okay, so ba't maze kasi? Pwede naman hindi naman sa basement yung good dog. Okay. Grabe. I'm so scared right now. Dito. Okay. Aso lang yun eh. Bakit pa? Aso lang yan. soap with water. Yan. Okay. Okay, let's prepare for the jump scares. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Found a key. Where am I supposed to use the key? Okay. Ba't lumalayo yung camera? Ito lumalayo. Okay. Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay, let's go. I think I found the key. Alright. Okay, there we go. Sana. Dog. Good dog. What? I'm go to sleep? Okay. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. There we go. Damn! He's not hungry anymore. Take care of the dog. You forgot to close the door. Ah? Oh, so yun na yun? Okay, short order lang pala siya. Okay, ito nga siya, you know. A shirt by... Okay. So, yeah. So, mga watin, dito tatapos yung ating video, no? So, short horror lang siya. Okay? Short horror lang siya, mga watin. Sorry. Di ko alam. Okay, so, thank you for watching, mga watin. So, see you in the next video na lang. Bye!
The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night.